Do you agree with this headline? I sure do not. Here's why. Apparently, this is a study done by a public university, so you know it is far from reality. Do you really expect anyone in their early to mid-20s to be able to afford to buy their dream home with their dream renovation without parents' financial support? And hey, people should not judge you if you have not bought a home by 45. Cause I have clients who's earning 5 figures a month, who only bought a home with cash at age 50 because he just got married by then. Yes, sort of a status symbol, right? If you have a car. For young guys living in the city, of course you are going to prioritize buying a car first, cause that is how you get a girlfriend if you do not have already. Else it is 10 times harder to do so. Abuden, you are going to save your money to buy your house and car by age 30. Too late already, lor. By then, all the ladies that you want already taken already. After all, isn't this true for a lot of city dwellers? How is your home an asset? It is a liability until you sell it and you get capital gain for it. Or it is reverse mortgage when you are 70. This statement is kind of true, but the reality is many landlords are also bleeding cash cause rental not enough to cover mortgage payments, or it just break even. This is a dangerous advice cause it is an absolute financial nightmare when the younger generation couples rush into buying that joint name real estate property only to break up after that. These misleading statements in the news sounds like it's a confirmed sure win. What is even more misleading is this is by people who seem to be so out of touch with the reality of the property market today. And you look at this statement, hey, don't forget, government incentives also come from taxpayers' money, like you and me. So be careful for what you wish for later. Don't complain when in the budget by our PM says that, okay, we are going to increase income tax rates. So what is your take on this?